how to post a video in this platform that is actually free, and the moment you post it and you post your video, immediately you get monetized. You don't need to have the requirements like that of YouTube, where you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time. In this platform, you just place your content and immediately they monetize your content. They are yet to reach where YouTube is, and by the time they come to reach to where the YouTube is, be the first people who have started earning from this thing by placing your content here. So if you're in Africa, you're doing content creation, make sure your content is on Rumble. So I want to show you a step-by-step on how to start placing your content on this platform. So step one, you'll have to, if you already have an account, you'll just sign in. But if you don't have, we will sign up. So by signing up, you'll use your Gmail account. So me, I'm using my Gmail account. Place your birth, wherever. So username. Then you, yeah. So the next thing they will tell you to enter the code they have sent it to your email. So you go to your email and check the account. And that's how you create your account. Then you'll answer your interest, mostly finance and crypto science and all that. In sports, Bitcoin, Ramsey show, all that. And that's how you create. So you come here, if you have content, you see this is your dashboard. You come here to my content. And then if you want to upload your content, your first content, let's say you're doing a content, you'll come here and then you'll click upload content. It will bring you to this space. Now in this space, you will select your video. If you have any video, write the way you do it on YouTube, write the video title, video description. Make sure you select the category of your content. If it's entertainment, write entertainment. If you're talking about finance, click finance and crypto. If you are doing gaming, select gaming. If you're doing education, put it on how to. If you're talking about health, do it on health and science. Then after choosing that, you can also choose the second category. They do also have, you can see if you choose gaming, they also have these ones. So these are the secondary if you have any. And then on the thumbnail, here you can choose your own. You can create the ones you create on YouTube. You put it here. But sometimes it just auto regenerates thumbnails from your video. But I recommend you just put your thumbnail, the one you've designed. And make sure every time you click upload, because when you click upload, after it has finished doing that, make sure the two things that you do on the other side, you select. But in this case, let me upload my video so that you can see what I'm saying. So as you can see, I did upload my first video, 100%. So it's talking about some spiritual stuff. And so it generated one. So I select that one. If I had a thumbnail, I'll just choose a thumbnail for myself. Then I take it to be public. I upload. So once you have uploaded, you'll come here and make sure, because Rumble will always select it for you. This is only Rumble. Then make sure you select this and this. Okay. And then you submit. And so this becomes your first content. Once it finishes, this is how it looks like. So if you want to check whether it is going to be monetized, they usually put this thing. And once they do the verifications, the monetization is placed immediately. So this one is a short that I did, and I decided to post it on Rumble because this is a platform where also people do watch content like this. So if you're anywhere doing content of any type, kindly make sure you post it on Rumble. Right now, it monetizes everybody's content. It will reach a point where it will be like YouTube. So make sure before it reaches to the level where YouTube is, you have placed your content here. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.